In our ISLM model, let's shift our focus now to the LM curve, which we know shows us all the combinations of real interest rate and output for which the money market is in equilibrium, which is given to us as where real money supply is equal to real money demand. Now, in order to derive the LM curve, we're going to use the idea that when we draw the money demand curve, it's always for a given level of income. So let's plot it for income Y1. So we have our money demand curve LR Y1. Now, this money demand curve, along with the combination of our money supply curve, which in this case is M bar 1 by P bar, will give us an equilibrium R, i.e. R1. Now, what we can do is in our YR space, we can plot the point Y1, R1, the first point that we have. Now, in order to derive the LM curve, what we do is we will change income and see what happens. If income increases from Y1 to Y2, it will shift the money demand curve to the right. Now, our new money demand curve is LR Y2, and this will increase the equilibrium R2, R2. Now we have another point, R2, Y2, which we can plot in our YR space. So now we have 2 points, Y1, R1 and Y2, R2, which we can connect to get our LM curves. So the key to deriving the LM curve is to keep in mind that the money demand curve is drawn for a given level of income, and we'll just change income and see what happens to the equilibrium interest rate so that it can maintain money market equilibrium. Now, the LM curve, as we can see, is upward sloping because like we saw that when we increase income, it causes the money demand curve to shift towards the right. So as money demand increases, we need a higher interest rate, equilibrium interest rate to maintain money market equilibrium.